Destroy. Destroy. Ano ba? Bibigay mo sa iyo? Quarantine office.
Sir, ulo mo.
Ulo mo, ulo mo.
Oh, mag-iilaw mo ka, pre, ha?
Sabihin pa.
Iilaw pa? Pwes na.
Wala.
Sir, formalin ha. Formalin. Sa ibang isa.
Itim.
Okay. Kunin pa iba ron. Para ilibong na rito. Ilibong na sa formalin. Sige. Isa pa, iba pa. Iba, kunin lang. Baka siya nagluluto. Makakapasok sa Laguna Lake yan. Naloko na tayo.
Dadami yun.
Para imbis na lethal injection ito. This is a big catch, no? The previous one are small time, maybe for hobby purposes, but this one is for commercial scale. It's really a commercial scale.
So why do you think are they smuggling piranhas into the country?
This is a very rare species in the Philippines, in as much it is illegal. So this is a collector's item, I should say, no? Especially Chinese, they're very fan of this kind of species. So they are trying to culture this or making a habit in their aquarium.
Nelson Mandela. San Juan Metro Manila, importation of piranhas, sa kanila po naman yung dala na nandito sa live Pilipino sa Pasay City.